For people 65 and older, falls are the leading cause of injury death. In fact, every hour an older adult dies from fall-related injuries. But there are some simple ways to prevent many of those falls. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention helps us take a closer look at the numbers and offer some helpful tips. Odds are you or someone you know has taken an unexpected spill at some point. For many of us, the injuries were merely scrapes and bruises. But Dr. Judy Stevens says for those 65 and older, even what appears to be minor falls can have major consequences.
We know about a third of all older adults, that's people 65 and older, fall every year. Falls cause a range of injuries. About 20% cause serious injury, like a fracture or head injury. And these can result in serious disability, which can make it hard for seniors to get around and to live independently in their own homes.
Dr. Stevens reports that falls are also the leading cause for traumatic brain injury among older adults, accounting for about half of all fatal falls.
Anyone who's fallen down, whether they're young or old, needs to contact a reputable personal injury lawyer to investigate the circumstance, to make sure that the premises were appropriately designed and maintained. There are codes involving the construction of premises. There are certain standards involving the maintenance and repair of certain premises. So just because someone falls doesn't mean it's their fault.
In 2004, nearly 15,000 older Americans died from fall-related injuries. Nearly 2 million more received emergency treatment at a hospital. But there are ways to prevent many of these falls. First, exercise regularly, especially exercises that help improve balance and leg strength. Second, have your medicines reviewed by a doctor to help reduce any side effects such as dizziness. Third, have your vision checked. And finally, reduce potential fall hazards in the home, such as clutter and tripping hazards. On top of thousands of deaths, falls also cause between 400,000 and 500,000 fractures a year. And it's only getting worse. In the year 2000, fall-related medical costs totaled about $19 billion. And medical experts predict those costs will likely rise to more than $40 billion annually by the year 2020. Reporting for the EXP News Network, I'm Kim Hessel.